Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 3 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Use the Charts Elements button to display the primary horizontally axis title for the column charts to the job title and axis title. So select the charts and go to the chart design tabs and click the add to chart elements and display the primary horizontally axis title and primary horizontally axis titles and type the primary horizontally axis title is job title, and next is apply the dark blue font color the horizontally axis title. So select the axis title and dark blue font color. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and click the dark blue font color, click OK. Next is modify the vertical value axis minimum, copy the value and keep the format axis pen display. So select the vertical value axis, right clicks and click the format axis and maximum bounds. So type the maximum bound and press enter. And next is change the vertical axis display the unit 1000 and then close the task pane. So display the vertical axis and display the vertical axis unit 1000 and close the task pane. So vertical units is thousands and display the unit is 1000. Click OK and then close the task pane and click close the task pane. And next is apply the dark blue font color the value axis title, display the unit label. So select the vertical value axis, display the unit labels, go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the dark blue font color. Sorry, dark blue font color. Apply the dark blue font color is the value axis and display the unit labels. Value axis title in cell I2 and select the titles and vertical axis title is dark blue font color. So select the value axis title and apply the dark blue font color. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the dark blue. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is display insight and data label on the pie charts and close the chart element menu and display the data labels and inside and. So select the inside and close the chart format the menu. And next is use the format data label ask pane to display the percentage data label and remove the value and data label. So display the click the data label and so select the data label and click the more options and percentage data labels, display the percentage data label and remove the value data label. So display the percentage and display and remove the value data label and close the pane. Next is Apply the bold to the data label. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the bold and apply the 18 point font size to 18 data label. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the 18 and click OK. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is open the format the chart area. So double click and open the format the chart area and apply the blue tissue paper texture fill to the chart area for the pie charts to keep the task pane. So select the fills and picture or textures chart area from the pie charts. Select the picture and blue tissue paper and click OK. And next is use the alt text to enter the display the percentage of the new computer jobs by the job title. Right clicks and click the edit alt text and type the display the percentage of new computer by job title and apply the absolute cell reference, include the period and click the close. Next is apply the red solid fill color to computer analysis slice and keep the task pane open. So select the red solid fill. So select the red solid fill. Use the computer analysis, network analysis system, and computer system analysis, and apply the red solid fill. So click the solid fill and change the color is to red. Click OK. Next is explode the computer analysis red slice 10%. So select the red slice to explosion. Explode the computer system analysis to 10% and click the 10% and click press enter and close the task pane. So assignment is done and please click or to submit the assignment and check the scores. So score is Excel chapter 3 on hand-on exercise 2 simulation training is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.